Throw away the city lights, throw away the cars.
What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today we are checking out the soundcore AeroFit 2, an open-ear earbud that blends comfort with powerful sound while keeping you connected to your surroundings. Let's see if they truly hit the right notes. Okay, I'm already in love with this soundcore AeroFit 2. It performs like a beast. In this video, we are gonna check all the features and the performance of this soundcore AeroFit 2. But before that, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
So if I lay down, will you come? So if I lay down, will you come?
Soundcore AeroFit 2 introduces an improved open-ear design that enhances comfort and usability. The earbuds feature a double-curved ergonomic ear hook for more stability, ensuring a secure fit during long sessions. The flexible liquid silicone materials distribute pressure evenly around the ears, providing a gentle yet firm hold. The case has a matte finish that resists smudges and supports wireless charging for added convenience. With an IP55 rating, the AeroFit 2 is built to withstand sweat and light rain, ensuring durability for active lifestyles. The AeroFit 2 prioritizes user comfort with its breathable, non-intrusive fit, making it suitable for extended wear. The 4-level rotatable ear hook adapts to different ear sizes, while the double-curved design reduces pressure, ensuring a comfortable fit for extended wear without discomfort. Perfect for all-day use, even during long listening sessions. This open-ear design allows for greater situational awareness, letting users stay connected to their surroundings without compromising comfort. The pressure-free fit ensures extended listening without discomfort, while the design accommodates glasses wearers by preventing interference with the ear hooks. This combination of comfort and stability makes the AeroFit 2 versatile for various environments.
I don't want no concrete jungles, no
AeroFit 2 introduces several advancements aimed at enhancing user experience. It supports high-res wireless audio and LDAC, providing superior sound quality with high-definition audio. Multi-point connectivity has been improved, allowing for seamless switching between two devices. The BassTurbo acoustic architecture enhances bass output, ensuring an impactful sound experience for listeners. The earbuds' innovative features make them suitable for a range of audio needs, elevating the listening experience across different environments and situations. Well, let's talk about the most important part, the sound signature. AeroFit 2's sound performance stand out with 20mm by 11.5mm racetrack drivers that deliver deep, booming bass and clear mids. Powered by BassTurbo technology, the earbuds emphasize low-end frequencies, creating a full-bodied sound that resonates well with various music genres. The high-res wireless certification and LDAC codec enable high-definition audio, bringing out the subtleties in more complex tracks.
big gun.
After using the soundcore AeroFit 2 for a few days, I noticed minimal sound leakage. It doesn't disturb others and still delivers a high-quality audio experience, making it great for both private and immersive listening. Users can customize the sound further with the soundcore app, which offers multiple EQ presets with a personalized tuning option. Well, talking about the application, inside the application, AeroFit 2 supports 3D surround sound, offering an immersive audio experience similar to spatial audio. It features 22 preset equalizers, including my favorite, Soundcore Signature, and it also has an 8-band custom equalizer for personalized adjustments. These options enable users to tailor the sound to their preferences seamlessly. When it comes to battery life, well, soundcore AeroFit 2 offers up to 10 hours of playtime on a single charge, with a total of massive 42 hours including the charging case. The fast charging feature provides an additional 4 hours of listening time from just a 10-minute charge. The inclusion of wireless charging ensures convenience, allowing users to recharge by simply placing the case on any compatible wireless charging pad. What I like most about this soundcore AeroFit 2 is its power management is optimized for consistent performance across various usage scenarios, making the AeroFit 2 a reliable choice for extended listening sessions. Well, that's all about this soundcore AeroFit 2. I have left the link in the description box. Go ahead, check this soundcore AeroFit 2. Well, before you go, one request. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.